Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good weekend. Monday, September 26th. Pretty slow day. We're gonna look at it. SPY, little red today. GME, same deal. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. I got a little bullish though today. Got slightly bullish. We have a Twitter you can follow us on at Happy Money YT, as well as the Discord server. Link for those in the description. I did get bull trapped a little bit buying in this morning. However, I'm a little bit bullish. I'm thinking if today wasn't quite bad, then I don't know. I think we might be settling down or even rallying soon on the market as well as GME. We didn't break the new low on the year, so there's no divergence yet as far as a normal divergence on the daily, but there is a hidden divergence that could be setting up tomorrow. Basically, SPY has to just come up a little bit, and then we'll have a hidden divergence. What that is we're gonna have higher lows and then lower highs on the RSI. So that divergence would be bullish. Given that the SPY is also way oversold at 28, it would make sense. But we will see. I'm assuming with how red last week was, Monday typically would be red after a red Friday, and then you have like a turnaround Tuesday. It doesn't seem like the market is too scared because it feels like a lot of the scare comes out on that Monday. If it's from last week. Now, given this week, there might be something later on that settles it down, but yeah, I think we probably are flat to greenish on the week, and just need that hidden divergence to kind of confirm, and then I think we'll have another rally on our hands, another bear market rally. GME also, so we were looking for the normal RSI divergence on here, which I'm not sure we're actually going to get. That would be a bullish sign. If it broke this low and we didn't get a divergence, then I would just say it's bearish and we'll probably be down to the teens, which I was saying on Friday. But with today's strength and even how GME looked on Friday with its kind of bounce into close, I'm more bullish, and it's possible we get a rally without a divergence, and we would just have kind of a double bottom or a trough like we used to have, if you recall, with a higher low. So this trough period from here to here looks very similar to one like this that we've had before. Rally after a long sell-off, trough, then a rally, long sell-off, trough, rally. This one was a little shorter, but same type of deal, kind of like this one, but the most probably like this one, the price action we've had on these daily candles. So the only thing that basically to me would be confirming that it's not this zone and it's more in this area would be if we broke that low and we didn't get a divergence. So if this week, if we break this kind of 28.40 or 23.42 low, and it just kind of keeps coming down and the RSI then drops with it and doesn't give us a divergence, then yeah, looks like we're probably in a zone where we're going to make new lows and be into the teens. However, Friday and now today are seeming more strong, so would make me think that we are in that zone, and that does set up nicely for potential rally on this line that we drew back here for T69. If you do basically 69 trading days from all the peaks, there's a spike right around that 69th day, and that's here in October, around October 10th, I think. So we'll see. Might be a OPEX run, end of the month run, but I did get back bullish just because of this trough looking thing and the fact that we didn't make new lows. And the SPY, it's red today, but it's not like we were seeing last week, and I think today again would have been much worse if we were going to see kind of a big move down this week, given we could still have a move down to make a new low. And let's see, yeah, that would actually erase that divergence if we made a new low. But I'm not so sure of it. On the short time frame, the hour, we do have just a normal RSI divergence here, which I don't follow those too much just because they don't seem very reliable, but it is there. MACD is bullish now. No green over the 9 or anything like that. It looks weak, but for a Monday after a week like we had last week, it's not all that bad. See how it closed. We've got about 20 minutes to go. But I did get back into shares again this morning. I kind of got caught in the bull trap a little bit, so went back into most shares around 25 bucks. To me, that's $100. That's almost always a good buy on GME. I mean, under that's great, and you know, in the teens, of course, is even better. So front ran it a little bit. I still have some capital to buy more shares I could average into if this moves to the upside, starts to get confirmed. Did get some calls as well. Might do put credit spreads or something like that if we start to see that move to the upside, just because yeah, I want to sell premium. The IV is still pretty high. My futures, I shorted futures on Friday, just thinking Monday would be red for how red Friday was. They worked out well. I actually closed them this morning before market opened I was up at like 5:30 Eastern. I closed them, so got a pretty good price on them. I think like right here, or no, somewhere around here. Here, yeah, somewhere around here. But then today, just scalping, day trading futures, I've just timing stuff horribly and basically gave back all those gains. So I like the longer term. I like to buy it with a longer term direction and just hold it. I just have to be patient, let it happen, and trying to just scalp the intraday. Like, it wasn't necessarily choppy today, a little bit, but I just was timing stuff poorly. So once the bounce is confirmed, I guess more with a longer term on a daily, maybe you know, MACD or green over the 9, or that divergence gets confirmed, then long on the futures, and I'll try and hold them for, you know, as long as the daily candles look bullish, basically. So yeah, I think we could see a bear market rally along with that GME move up. Maybe in the next week or two, really. If SPY breaks down below, makes a new low, it's less likely. GME makes a new low, could be less likely unless there's a divergence that would help to the bullish side. But yeah, if we're kind of flat or to the upside a little bit on GME and SPY this week, I think that could be a good sign. What did we do today? Yeah, that's all the future stuff. Here's the calls I bought. I bought 3 October 21, 28 calls, and then 4 October 28, 30 calls. And then I also bought THTX. They have an approval that might be coming out soon, about 12 calls, 5 strike in October. And then actually I bought some puts, protective puts on GME, so I could have margin for losing more money in futures. So those are probably my best plays today. Nope, I am getting theta decayed everywhere. That's why I like to sell premium. Closed out of my bearish Tesla play, realized like 350, 400 on it. Yeah, I acted maybe a little too quick this morning. I think the Tesla move was probably the right idea. I think it definitely has more downside, but we do get oh, that's a new one. Whoa, that's very bearish. Holy crap. Might have to open up a new Tesla short. As a hedge to all this upside I just kind of opened up with GME. If we don't get that bear market rally, maybe get some exposure to this Tesla play to the downside. Yeah, that's basically all I did. So that's what I got for you guys. We'll see you on Discord. Data that came out today didn't move the market a whole lot. There was some data. I don't think we have a whole lot going on this week that'll move the market significantly, but we'll see you on Discord, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.